The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. After years of anticipation, hard work and dedication from millions of pioneers around the world, Pi Network is about to take its biggest leap yet. After years of mining and building our networks, Pi Network is entering its most critical phase, the launch of the open Mainnet. This is the stage where all the groundwork, all the connections, and all the mining finally come together. This isn't just another update. This is the big one. The countdown is over, and the next chapter in the Pi story is about to begin. The Pi core team has unveiled the plan for KYC and Mainnet rewards, laying out a clear path for every pioneer to follow. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is the key that unlocks everything. It's the process that ensures every user is real and eligible to participate in the Pi economy. It's the final checkpoint before your Pi becomes a real, transferable digital currency. Without passing KYC, your mined Pi will remain locked and unusable. This is where all our efforts start to pay off. Every tap, every invite, every day you spent mining is about to be rewarded. KYC will separate real pioneers from bots and fake accounts, making the network legitimate and secure. This is what gives Pi its true value and credibility. Without this step, our Pi would just be numbers on a screen, meaningless and without real-world impact. The core team is making sure this is done right for the long-term success of Pi. They're focused on building a network that lasts, not just a short-term hype. Whether you've been here since day one or just joined, this is your guide to securing your Pi. Everyone has a role to play in this historic transition. We'll break down what KYC is, why it matters, and what you need to do now. Step by step, we'll make sure you're ready for what's next. The steps are clear, and the timeline is set. There's no more guessing, just follow the process and you'll be on your way. This is the final push before Pi Network truly goes live. The world is watching, and the future of digital currency is about to change. Get ready to take action and secure your future in the Pi economy. Your decisions now will shape your place in this new ecosystem. The excitement is real, and the opportunity is huge. This is a once-in-a-generation chance to be part of something revolutionary. Let's dive into the details and make sure you're prepared. Every step you take now brings you closer to unlocking the full potential of your Pi. This is your chance to turn your mined Pi into something real, something you can use, trade, and be proud of. Don't miss out on this historic moment. The decisions you make today will echo for years to come. The final chapter is here, let's make it count. This is the culmination of everything we've worked for. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. We'll guide you through every step so you don't miss a thing. It's time to get serious about your Pi. The future is here and it's yours to claim. So, what exactly is KYC? You might have heard the term before, but what does it really mean and why is it so important for you? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process used by organizations to confirm the identity of their users. Usually you prove who you are by showing official documents like a passport, driver's license, or even a national ID card. This step is simple, but it's crucial. KYC is a standard practice in banks and financial services all over the world. It helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and keeps your assets secure. For Pi, KYC is even more important. It protects the value of your Pi by making sure only real, verified people are part of the network, not bots or fake accounts. Without KYC, anyone could create multiple fake accounts, flood the system, and make your Pi essentially worthless. That's a risk no one wants to take. KYC acts as a filter, keeping the network genuine and trustworthy. It's like a security gate that only lets real people in. By completing KYC, you're not just verifying yourself, you're helping to strengthen the entire Pi network and making it more secure for everyone. A verified user base is attractive to businesses and developers. It means they can trust the network, which makes Pi more valuable and opens up more opportunities for everyone involved. Think of it as joining an exclusive club where every member is legitimate, and everyone has earned their place. KYC keeps the network safe, secure, and valuable for all members, not just a select few. So when you see the KYC requirement, don't view it as just another hurdle. Instead, see it as a vital step that protects your Pi and the future of the project. It's a necessary process to safeguard your Pi, your investment, and the entire community's future. Your participation in KYC is what sets Pi apart from other digital projects. It's about building a network based on trust and real people. By verifying your identity, you're helping to build a strong foundation for the future of Pi and its community. Take KYC seriously. It's your ticket to a secure, trustworthy, and valuable Pi experience. Let's move forward together as a verified, trusted, and empowered community. Here's the most important rule. Only users who complete KYC can transfer their Pi to the mainnet. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is not just a formality, it's the essential step that unlocks your Pi's true potential. Without it, your Pi remains stuck in the app, unable to move forward. If you don't pass KYC, your Pi stays as points in the app. You can't use it, send it, or spend it. It's like having a wallet full of play money that can't be exchanged for anything real. No matter how much you've mined, it's locked away until you verify your identity. KYC is your golden ticket to turn mined Pi into real Pi on the blockchain. It's the only way to make your digital efforts count in the real world, giving your Pi actual value and utility. This is a hard rule set by the core team, no exceptions. Every pioneer must go through the same process, no matter how long you've been mining or how much Pi you have. The goal is one account per person, enforced by KYC. This ensures fairness and prevents abuse, making sure everyone has an equal opportunity. Think of KYC as the barcode scan that lets you into the concert. Without it, you're left outside. No matter how ready you are, you can't get in without that scan. Your entire Pi journey leads to this step. All your daily mining, teamwork, and patience have been building up to this crucial moment. If you want to access your Pi and its future utility, you must complete KYC. It's the gateway to using your Pi for real transactions, services, and opportunities. All your mined Pi, bonuses, and rewards depend on you and your team passing KYC. Your success is linked to your community, so encourage your team to complete it too. This is the moment of truth for every pioneer. Don't underestimate its importance. It's the final checkpoint before you can truly participate in the Pi ecosystem. KYC is the bridge to the mainnet and the real value of your Pi. Crossing it means you're officially part of the next phase of the network. Take it seriously and complete it as soon as you can. Don't wait until the last minute. Set a reminder and get it done. Your future in the Pi network depends on it. The choices you make now will shape your experience and opportunities ahead. Don't let your efforts go to waste. Cross the finish line with KYC and secure your place in the mainnet future. Now let's talk about the timeline. Once you're eligible for KYC, you have 6 months to complete it. This window starts the moment your KYC slot opens. 6 months is generous but not unlimited. Don't procrastinate. The deadline keeps the migration to mainnet moving forward. The core team needs to know how many verified pioneers will migrate their Pi. This helps stabilize the ecosystem and plan for the future. Mark your calendar and set reminders. Don't let time slip away. If you miss the window, you risk losing your Pi. Be vigilant and check your Pi app for notifications. Start the process as soon as you're invited. Life gets busy, so act early. Your Pi balance depends on timely action. Don't let your opportunity slip away. Secure your Pi by completing KYC within the window. What if you don't complete KYC in time? Your unverified Pi will be reallocated. It won't be destroyed. It goes back to the pool for future rewards. Only KYC-verified pioneers can claim their mined Pi. If you miss the deadline, you forfeit your claim and your Pi is redistributed. This ensures active, verified members benefit, not abandoned or fake accounts. The policy keeps the Pi economy healthy and fair. It prevents large amounts of Pi from being locked away and unavailable. Reallocation rewards those who follow through. Your Pi is provisionally yours. KYC secures it. Think of it as a conditional reward. Mine it, then verify to keep it. Don't let your effort go to waste. All your daily taps mean nothing if you skip this step. The message is clear. Use it or lose it. Complete KYC to secure your Pi. Act now to make your Pi truly yours. Why is this KYC process a game changer? It's about building a network of real people and staying compliant. Enforcing one person, one account creates one of the world's largest verified human networks. Businesses and developers will trust a network of real users, not bots. This high-trust environment is Pi's secret weapon. It's the foundation for a real digital economy, not just speculation. Regulatory compliance is the other key. Governments are watching crypto closely. Projects without KYC face big risks. Pi's built-in KYC means it can thrive alongside traditional finance. The core team isn't taking shortcuts, they're building for the long term. This careful approach ensures a stable, compliant launch. When open mainnet arrives, Pi will be ready for mass adoption. This is what gives Pi its real lasting value. We're building something meant to last. It's easy to get impatient. But remember the scale of this operation. The core team is verifying millions of people worldwide, a massive technical challenge. They've built a unique KYC system combining automation and human validators from the Pi community. This hybrid approach allows global scaling and community involvement. Validators earn Pi by helping verify others, making it a community-driven process. Some cases need manual review, but the team is constantly improving the system. They're working to unblock stuck applications and refine the process. The core team is committed to getting every eligible pioneer verified. Their goal is a fully verified network and a successful mainnet launch. Appreciate their dedication. They're making this vision possible. Their hard work benefits us all. Let's support their efforts by doing our part. The message is clear. Act now to secure your Pi. The core team provides the tools, but only you can complete KYC. Don't miss out after years of mining. Make KYC a priority. Prepare now. Have a valid, unexpired government ID ready. Make sure your Pi account name matches your ID. Use the name update feature if needed. When your KYC slot opens, act quickly and carefully. Take clear photos and follow instructions to avoid delays. Most issues come from simple mistakes. Double-check everything. Open your Pi app daily for updates and KYC notifications. Encourage your team and security circle to do the same. Your bonus Pi depends on their verification too. Be a leader. Spread the word and help others get ready. The future of your Pi is in your hands. Don't wait. Secure your Pi today. As we wrap up, let's celebrate this milestone. KYC, deadlines, and reallocation are all part of the final push to open Mainnet. The core team's dedication has brought us here. Let's cheer them on. Their careful approach ensures a stable, successful launch. We're building a legacy project designed to empower millions. Now it's our turn. Complete KYC, help your network, and stay informed. The launch of Open Mainnet will reward our patience and belief. We'll have a real, decentralized currency backed by a verified global community. The possibilities are endless. Get ready. The future of Pi is bright and just around the corner. Complete your KYC, secure your Pi, and join the celebration. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's cross the finish line together and show the world what we've built.